Fumble, good afternoon and welcome to Inside the Demian Media Team. Well, today, Inside the Demian Media Team, we can take a walk at a shot now one community where normally this community are so now the East Station back of school inside Freetown. Where we the Demian Media Team can take a visit now this particular community so where normally now a bridge construction where they go on at this community so when at the East Station community. We'll also see presently this afternoon the SLRA that doing their construct a new bridge and exits along this community. So we're at the East Station community part of Freetown. We'll also see presently this afternoon here is the community where normally now a Washika community where normally tap inside Freetown. We're at the East Station community. As on the see presently with the Demian Media Team can take a tour, a visit now this particular community here. So where Fumble may bring come to this particular report so this afternoon, me naturally Ibrahim from the Demian Media Team.